To use the neck relaxer, lie face up on the floor or a firm bed. Place the device under the back of your head at the lower occipital ridge, right where the base of the skull meets the neck. To begin, leave the rounded edge 1, facing up. If edge 1 is too uncomfortable, you can place a washcloth or towel over it to blunt the intensity of the edge. Later, when your neck muscles are more relaxed, you can discard the cloth. With the occiput lying on the rounded edge, either with or without a towel, rotate your head very slowly, first to one side and then to the other. While doing this, you'll probably find a few spots that are uncomfortable or painful. Let your head rest at each of these spots for 10 to 15 seconds, but never leave it in any one place for more than 30 seconds at a time. If stopping at the uncomfortable points is too painful at first, you'll probably find that a continual, slow, rolling motion is easier to tolerate. Once all the discomfort on the lower occipital line has been eliminated, move the block to the upper occipital line about a quarter inch higher. If there is no discomfort at this level, move it a little higher. When edge 1 no longer causes any discomfort, move on to edge 2, the semi-rounded edge. When this no longer causes any discomfort, move to the sharpest edge, which exerts the most pressure. Don't use this technique for more than 4 or 5 minutes at a time, or else soreness may develop. If that occurs, discontinue the use of the block until the soreness is gone. The neck relaxer is a valuable tool for helping clients to reduce their own level of tension and keep the neck muscles in a more relaxed state.